Thank you very much, Eric. My name is Armando Abrahams, and I will be showing off my issues. My first issue is as an avatar, I want to be able to walk around the level to explore the environment. And the first completion criteria is define a player avatar from the base avatar. So we can open up our exe file, start the game, and here we are as a player, and we want to exist from a base, so we are a base player. And I want to have horizontal movement input via input. So pressing the keys, horizontal, all the directions. And then next, character vertical movement via external forces, aka gravity. Jump goes down. So gravity is enabled for jumping. Height of 2 Unreal units for jumping. Let's jump. See what's at bottom foot. 2 Unreal units. The final one, speed of 1.75 Unreal units per second. Start here. 1. And that will conclude this issue. For my next issue, I will be displaying the metrics level. As the game, I want a metrics level so avatars can measure their jump metrics. And our completion criteria, world units would be clearly seen and noted to someone who plays the level. If we restart the level, we can see that we have markings indicating the height of each of these blocks. And we also have the height for the incline, for how high of an incline the player can have, and how high they can jump. So you know what their limits are. Various metrics to help you create your player. And that will be it for this issue. As an avatar, I want to exist in the world so I can traverse the land. So as the level starts, I exist. There's the avatar and it's traversing the land and it existing in the world. Next, I will be showing the inventory system. As an avatar, I want to be able to hold multiple items in my inventory to help me carry more items to help me throughout the game. In the description, I would like to hold my owner's items inside me and be accessible from anywhere in the game. First completion criteria, ability to pick up items. So back to our game, and we're going to go find an item. Oh, some items over here. And we're going to press our interact button, pick up, and pick up the item. The item is picked up, disappeared. Okay. Next, adds item to inventory. So we picked up that item, we'll access our inventory, and there we have our secret relic. Close our inventory. Next, I want access to inventory in game. So again, we'll show here by hitting tab, we have access to our inventory. It shows our secret relics that we picked up. I want to use inventory items throughout level. So if we go here, pick up this health pack, go in our backpack and right click to use the med pack. So now we have used it, and our health is filled. Next, pauses game when open. So I'm going to go hit inventory, and the bat should still be there. So when I jump, let's see, inventory should still be in the air when I get out of inventory, and there I am, still falling. Okay, so that wraps up the inventory. Next, I will be showing the Medipack. As a Medipack, I want to be picked up and stored in the player's inventory to be used when needed to heal. Our first dependency is health, which is done. Be showed in a different video. Our first completion criteria is a small cylindrical brown case. So if we go around and try to find we have a cylinder. Not necessarily brown, but basically the mesh that we had. So it's a cylinder to indicate it is health. Next is fills health meter halfway. So, okay, here we have about more than halfway damage, and we will go pick up a Medipack and open up our inventory, use the Medipack, heals 50 HP, go back to our health. You see our health is up 50%. Next one is pick up animation. So back here, go walk up to our Medipack. We could press our interact and display an animation. And that is it for the Medipack issue. The next issue I will showcase is the main menu. As a main menu, I want to allow the player to end the game or start a game, so the player can exit game at will. So as a main menu, I want to be there for the player when they start the game, so they can choose to start the level or resume from last checkpoint, save point, or exit the game altogether. Completion criteria: start at beginning of game. So desktop, open up the game. And when we open up the game, here is the main menu. Okay, let's go back to our Jira. Next one is has buttons you can click. So let's look at the buttons. They're highlighted. And let's click on one. Oh, and it works. Click on that one. That's two. And that. Okay. That works. Buttons include new game, load game, exit game. So we have new game, load game, exit game, and a couple others. If you click on a new game, it starts a new game. If we hit exit game, it will exit the game. For my next issue, I will showcase my issue as a wolf. I want to be sleeping in my realm till the player enters my realm and attack the player. So for our first completion criteria, it is asleep until woken up by getting close to avatar 1500 amount of distance from wolf. So we open our game. Choose a level, start a level. And here we have the wolves, who are idle for now. So here we have our wolves sleeping until I get close enough. Here. I am within their perception. And when I get 1,500 meters away, we see that they have resumed their positions, their patrol rest position, until I get closer. Next criteria: when attacking character, I deal damage when coming on contact. So when I go into the wolf pen and the wolves come in contact with the player, I will be damaged. So go, and there I am taking damage, and when I'm damaged, I'm dead. So when I get in contact with the wolves, I will take damage. Here is the main menu functioning with new game, controls, options, credits, exit game. So if we click on options, it will take us to controls, and in controls we have some controls to give you information on that. And next we have the credits with our names here. This is where we will input our references. And then in options here we would have the sound effects. And if we select a new game, it will start the game. And if we go to the pause menu, we have some of the same options. Options, controls, to restart level. Restart level. Quit. We can quit to main menu, or we can quit to desktop. And that is the main menu. And that is it for my issues. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.